if you have your website hosted in another platform, for example, here this Vercel, and you bought domain from your favorite GoDaddy, then how you can connect or make sure that your GoDaddy domain talk to this another site. And this website can be any location. It can be in Cloudflare or any other platform. So the thing that you need to do is you need to first of all go to GoDaddy and then go to domain. Now here you need to click on DNS, and now here we need to click on name server. Let's click on change name server, and I'm gonna say I will use my name server. Okay, so here's the thing. Whatsoever platform you are in, that platform will have its own name server. If you do not know from where you need to find, simply do Google search and you will find your name server. Okay, let's say for example, Hostinger name servers for GoDaddy, and you can see step by step how you can find it. All right, now let's go back, and I'm gonna copy my name server from here, and I will be pasting it, and there you go. Now let's click here on continue. Okay, so we have successfully set up the name server, and then now my website won't look like this because it is built in another platform, not inside GoDaddy. And if I go back here, right now it shows invalid configuration. Maybe after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it will show that, the domain is successfully configured. So in this way, we can use or connect our GoDaddy domain, which was purchased inside GoDaddy, to another platform. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of doubt or question in your mind, please feel free to ask me. I will definitely try to answer that. And if you want me to create a dedicated video on Hostinger or GoDaddy, also do let me know in comment down below. I will try to make video on that topic. Also make sure you subscribe to see more such tutorial related to various productivity topics, and I will see you in the next one.